Welcome to INSEAD's Learning Summit. We are here in San Francisco at our Hub for Business Innovation. During this summit, over a day and a half, we are going to be exploring how leaders and executives can learn to manage and even thrive amongst complexity and uncertainty.
What we're actually providing is not a space where we teach them how to be different or better leaders. Rather, we create a space in which they can discover more about the kind of leaders they've already become.
The highlight of the day so far has been really two things. One is the opportunity to be with other peers and colleagues in the learning and development space and hear about what's working for them and what's not working for them. And then the second has been access to professors who are doing top research on what makes leaders successful in their roles and just getting that inside scoop about what the latest research says and what works these days so that we can apply that to the context of our organizations.
I loved this morning. It really focuses in on kind of the human behavior as a part of leadership. I think most people think leadership is just getting the results at the end of the day. You know, did I think strategically? Did I make a good decision? And the key takeaway for me is just that interconnection with human behavior and the complex dynamics of a team.
Leaders are really good with cognitive skills. Using the brain, right? Strategy and numbers and data and being informed. But I think that when it comes to transformative leadership, it's really important for them to start thinking with the heart, emotional intelligence, EQ. And when we talk about emotional intelligence, we think about self-awareness, how deep we can go with our emotions to understand why we react to certain, actions or situations at the workplace.
The conversation about AI is something that I think I can definitely take back to the workplace. It's not something that I've had a lot of exposure to, and the way that the professor broke down what tasks, what audience, and gave us really a framework that I can use for thinking about where it would be effective in the kind of work that we do is something that I'll definitely take back.